Welcome once again to our CYB 103 Communication Theory and Practice module. This week we're continuing our discussion of semiotics and looking in more detail at how signs create meaning. But before we jump into the new material, let's recap what we covered in the previous module. First, we defined semiotics. Second, we looked at the three types of signs that semiotic theory identifies. So we looked at icon, index, and symbol. And finally, we discussed the signifier and the signified. The differences between the signifier, which is the physical representation of the sign, and the signified, which is the mental concept people attach to signs. This week, we're going to build on that difference between the signifier and the signified, and we're going to explore in more detail how signs create meaning. Over the course of this module, we're going to look at four different sets of concepts. We're going to begin by looking at syntagm and paradigm. We're going to discuss the difference between denotation and connotation. And from there, we're going to move into discussing metaphor and metonym, and finally, binary opposition. These concepts of denotation, connotation, metaphor, metonym, and binary opposition are going to form the basis of the work that we will do in analysing media texts over the coming weeks.